Good morning, students. For chapter 1, numbers. For this chapter, we are going to see basic arithmetic operations on rational numbers. Okay. For basic arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Using these basic operations, we have to simplify the rational numbers. First, you have to know about the rational numbers. What is a rational number? Okay, for rational number is a number. Rational number also is a number of the fractional form a by b. So that is numerator by denominator form. What is a rational number? It is in the form numerator by denominator. B not equal to 0. Denominator not equal to 0. Suppose denominator is 0, it is meaningless. So we have to give this condition b not equal to 0. Okay, for this rational numbers, collection of all rational numbers is denoted by Q. Already you know natural numbers is denoted by capital N. Then students, do you remember? Yes, whole numbers are denoted by W and integers are denoted by Z. For like that, these rational numbers are denoted by Q. Okay students, for this addition problems, for rational number addition problems, we will see some of the examples. For example, add minus 6 by 11, 8 by 11, minus 12 by 11. For we have to add these three rational numbers. Students, the given problem is rewritten as this form. Minus 6 by 11 plus 8 by 11 plus minus 12 by 11. For we have to add these rational numbers. So, minus 6 by 11 plus 8 by 11 plus minus 12 by 11. That is equal to. It is a fractional form. For it is a denominators. We have to consider the denominators. For it is like fraction or unlike fractions. For it is for this given fraction denominators 11, for the second number also 11 for 11. So these three fractions are like fractions. So just you have to add the numerator. For what you have here, minus 6 plus middle symbol, what you have here, plus 8 plus minus 12. So plus minus, plus into minus, minus. Okay, in 7th standard you are learn the integer rules, plus into minus, minus. So write to it. Okay, so that is minus 6 plus 8. Here we have two symbols. It is in the product. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 12 whole divided by 11. What you have in the same denominator, just you take and write 11. Now minus 6 plus 8 minus 12. Okay, for here it is two integers have the same sign, minus 6 minus 12. So same sign you have to add, minus 6 minus 12. So that is minus 18. Add the same sign integers and use the same sign. Minus 6 minus 12, that is minus 18 plus 8 whole divided by 11. Again you have to simplify. These two have the different signs. Different sign we have to subtract from greater number to small number. So that is, which is the greatest number? 18. 18 minus 8, that is 10. Greater number sign is minus. So minus 10 by 11. So therefore answer is minus 6 by 11 plus 8 by 11 plus minus 12 by 11 is equal to minus 10 by 11. Second method, add minus 5 by 9, minus 4 by 3, 7 by 12. Students, what is the difference between second for this problem and previous problem? Are you identified? Yes. For that first problem, all the denominators are same. But this problem, we have different denominators. So it is unlike fraction. Okay, students. So that is minus 5 by 9 plus minus 4 by 3 plus 7 by 12 is equal to what? We want to find now. So that is for unlike denominators are there. Okay. So that is different denominators are there. We have to find LCM for the denominators. LCM for the denominators. Okay. So LCM, how we have to find LCM? First you have to take and write the denominators. 9, 3, 12. Okay. For LCM means that is the least common multiple. For this least common multiple, first you have to check for these three numbers divided by the common number. Okay. Suppose it is these three numbers not divide by the same number, we have to find at least 2. Okay. That at least 2 also not possible. We have to take the number one by one. First possibility is these three numbers are divisible by which number? Otherwise at least 2. Okay. So now 9, 3, 12. These three numbers exactly divide by 3. Okay. So 3 3s are 9, comma 1 3 is 3, comma 4 3s are 12. For these three numbers separately you have to make divide. This 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then again we have 3, 1, 4. For 3, 1, 4, was these three numbers also have no common factor. Okay. So at least one by one you have to take. At least 2 also not possible. So you have to consider one by one. First you have to divide by 3. Okay. 1 3 is 3. For this 1 not divisible by 3, 4 also not divisible by 3. So just take and write. Have you understood, students? For it is, for here 3 numbers also divisible. So you have to make divide. In the next step, 3, 1, 4 is there. For this 3, 1 and 4 not have a common factor, common divisor. So that is, you have to take one by one. One by one. First you have to divide by 3. So divide by 3, which number is exactly divisible by 3? 3 alone. So 1 3 is 3. Remaining numbers take and write. Okay, just take and write. Next you have to divide 1, 1, 4 is there. So you have to divide by 4. 1, this 1 take and write. It is, for here it is 1. Okay, sorry students, it is 1. 1, 4 is 4. So now you have to make multiple these 3. Okay, 3 into 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. Okay, so now LCM of 9, 3, 12 is equal to 36. So now you write the given rational numbers minus 5 by 9 plus minus 4 by 3 plus 7 by 12. That is equal to. So LCM, what do you find? That you take as a common denominator, 36. What you found here as a LCM? 36. Now you have to find for this first number. For this 9, you have to consider this 9 and 36. Okay. For this 36, in 36, how many 9 is here? 36. 1 9 is 9. Yes. 4 9s are 36. So this 5, what do you have in the numerator? What number you have? Just to take and write minus 5 into 4. This 9 divide by 36. Okay. It is 36 divide by 9. 4 9s are 36. Okay. This 4 multiple with this numerator. Okay. Okay students, have you understood? Yes. Then again you have to make divide. 36 divide by 3. 36 divide by 3. 36 divide by 3. What do you get? 12. So minus 4 into 12. This division is no need. It is a mind calculation. You have to make as a mind calculation. Okay students. So that is next to 12 we have 12. 36 divide by 12. What do you get? 36 divide by 12. 1 12 is 12. 2 12s are 24. 3 times 36. So this 7 into 3. Okay, have you understood? Yes. Now 5 4s are 20. Minus into plus minus. 4 12s are 48. Minus into plus minus. 7 3s are 21. Whole divided by 36. Now we have a two like integers. So that is the same sign integers. So you have to add these two. That is 20 plus 48 is 68. Same sign taken, right? Minus 68 plus 21 by 36. Now these two have a different sign. So you have to subtract greater number minus small number. So that is 47 greater number sign by 36. So minus 5 by 9 plus minus 4 by 3 plus 7 by 12 is equal to minus 47 by 36. Students, in the previous video you are learned rational numbers addition. Now we are going to see rational numbers subtraction. So before seeing that rational numbers subtraction, we have to see this additive inverse. What is the meaning of additive inverse? Okay, the additive inverse of a rational number is another rational number which when added to the given number gives 0. Have you understood the meaning? Just you have to keep in your mind additive inverse. What is given? What is given? That means 4 by 3. Just you have to change the sign. It is plus. Their inverse is minus. Okay. It is minus. Their inverse is plus. That's all. Okay. You have to add these two. What do you get? 0. Yes. 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. Yes. So that is additive inverse of 4 by 3 is minus 4 by 3. Additive inverse of minus 12 by 7 is plus 12 by 7 or 12 by 7. For positive numbers, no need symbol, plus symbol. Okay, it is automatically considered as a positive. So for a negative fractions or integers must we denote this symbol. Okay, students. So additive inverse of 4 by 3 is minus 4 by 3. Additive inverse of minus 12 by 7 is 12 by 7. Okay, yes. Now we will see the subtraction problems. Okay, some of the examples. Subtract 9 by 17 from minus 12 by 17. Okay, the subtraction problems from after what is given. So we have to subtract from this number. So first you write this number. Okay, minus 12 by 17 minus 9 by 17. Okay, the given problem is rewritten as minus 12 by 17 minus 9 by 17. From this 9 by 17 subtract from this number. So you write this number. So now you have to check it is a like fraction or unlike fraction. It is a like fraction. Why it is a like fraction? These two fractions have same denominators. So we have to simplify the numerators. So what are the numerators? Minus 12 minus middle sign. What do you have? Minus. For it is plus. Minus into plus minus. So minus 12 minus 9 whole divided by 17. So that is equal to, it is these two numbers have a same sign. So you have to add 12 plus 9, 21. The same sign taken, right? So minus 21 by 17. So that is minus 12 by 17 minus 9 by 17 is equal to minus 21 by 17. Next example, subtract minus 2 6 by 11 from minus 4 5 by 22. It is a mixed fraction. Any of the mixed problems are given, immediately you convert it as an improper fraction. Okay, that conversions already you are learned in 5th standard, 6th standard. Okay, yes. First you write the given problem. For minus 2 6 by 11, subtract from this number. So first you write this number. Minus 4 5 by 22 minus 2 6 by 11. So how you have to convert this as an improper fraction? You have to make multiple these two. 4 into 22. These two you have to make multiple. For this answer, multiplicative answer, add with this numerator. Okay, students. So that is 4 into 22, that is 88 plus 5. So 93. You have minus here, just take and write this minus. Okay, for don't confuse with this minus, it is just denoting the integer symbol. Okay, it is a negative integer. Okay, so 4 into 22 plus 5. So minus 93 by 22. The middle sign what you have? Minus. Just take and write. Then you have to convert this as a improper fraction. 2 into 11, 22. 22 plus 6, 28. So what symbol you have in here? Minus. So minus 28 by 11. So it is written as minus 93 by 22. 2 minus is here, minus into minus plus 28 by 11. Now you have to check these two are like fraction or unlike fractions. So these two are unlike fractions because these two have different denominators. When we have a unlike fractions, we have to use a LCM. We have to find the LCM. Okay, LCM of 22 and 11. 22 and 11 at side you have to find this. 22 comma 11. So 11 for divide by 11. 11th table is possible. So 2 11s are 22, 1 11 is 11. So next 2 comma 1 is there. This 2 you have to select the 2 table. 1 2 is to 1. So LCM you have to make multiple these two. 11 into 2. 11 2s are 22. So now minus 93 by 22 plus 28 by 11 is equal to what we found as a LCM? 22. This LCM consider as a common denominator. Now you have to divide these two numbers. 22 divide by 22. So 22 divide by 22. How many times? 1 time. So minus 93 into 1. Next this 11 and 22. 22 divide by 11. In this 22, how many 11 is here? 2 times. So 28 into 2. Have you understood, students? Yes? Okay. Minus 93 into 1, minus 93 plus 28 into 2, 56. These two numbers, these two integers have different sign. Different sign you have to subtract. How you make subtract? Greater number minus small number. 93 minus 56, that is 37. After finding that, use the greater number sign. Minus 37 by 22. The given problem, listen students, the given problem is a improper fraction. So the final answer write as a improper fraction. So 37 by 22. How you make it as a improper fraction? This 37 divide by normal division 22. 1 times. Only 1 time. So you have to subtract it is 5, 1. So it is remainder, it is quotient, it is divisor. So mixed fraction, how you write it as a mixed fraction? That is, write here quotient, always the divisor right at the denominator, remainder is here. Quotient right at the side, remainder right at the numerator, divisor right at the denominator. Now you check here. For what is here, the minus symbol is there. Just you have to take this minus symbol. It is a quotient. It is divisor. It is remainder. So this improper fraction, this mixed fraction is equal to minus 115 by 22. It is an improper fraction. Okay.